Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Plymouth-Canton Montessori School here in Canton, Michigan, with the young students and some of the staff members today. The main focus was all about diversity, our differences both on the outside and the inside, and really seeking to appreciate all of them, but also the need for human kindness, right? What you see on my shirt. We have the peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin. There's two people inside the heart as well, because peace and kindness isn't just about showing that to ourselves, but to others as well. And so I'm in their hallway here, down towards one of their classroom areas, and it says on the wall, this poster, "Children love the world, children love each other." And the students really understood that we do have to show that kindness to everybody around us, right? To treat them like we treat our best friend, and to just be able to support one another as it relates to any differences that may be apparent on the outside of some of us, but also what's on the inside. So we mentioned that some of us are born different. You know, we walk different, talk different, think different, hear different. I mean, all these differences, our skin color, the way we dress, the foods that we eat, we need to honor and appreciate all of those, but also anything on the inside that might make us a little bit unique. You know, if we're better at something than someone else, or the way that we are a friend to someone else, that all of those things that we're good at is also diversity. And we really have to appreciate everything. And it's so important that we do show the kindness as well, because it may not just be that act of kindness that you show that particular person. It could be anyone that hears that kind word or sees that kind of action. It could positively affect their heart too. So through a series of stories, some examples, some visual aids, some music, video, they really got to understand that message today. That it starts with just one act of kindness, and that's how we can change the world, right? And to be there for one another. And it also really does start with believing our own value, our own worth, appreciating our own diversity. When we look in the mirror, that we're okay with that reflection back. And I bring up this concept that we all have the letter M on the palm of our hands with the lines of our hand, right? You have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here. And that M stands for Montessori. No, it stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W for worthy. And that we are all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we understand that we have to buy into that, then we go help others see that in themselves too, right? We also try to show love without any conditions, unconditional love. So that means if someone's taller than us, shorter than us, wider, thinner, in a wheelchair or not, wears glasses or not, that we're still going to value who that person is. And the students really took that to heart today, to also say that diversity is beautiful, right? It's so great to be different, because if we were all the same, it'd be boring. And so when they really got to see that, yes, we're similar when it comes to our feelings and our heart and, you know, how we feel as human beings, but to know that there's so many opportunities to make new friends, to really grow from them, grow from those relationships, those friendships. That's what we were trying to instill throughout today's presentations, to make sure that they will open their hearts to others around them and hopefully meet some new faces, right? And really become great friends with not just their best friend here at the school, but everybody, right? That they become that family of love, that family of kindness, and that family of peace. So it was, again, just an amazing time here with the students. They took so much home, and I always take so much away too. They touch my heart. So thank you for the opportunity to come and speak to you all today. Keep shining your light, you know, keep spreading that kindness. This world desperately, desperately needs it, and hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also review the playlist for some inspirational clips. And you can also check out my website through the peace sign symbol to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.